Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Perly Joy Gravador Cal. I'm 28 years of age, and I'm a mother already.
Okay, how many kids you have?
Only one. I have daughter.
How old?
She's 9 years old already.
Okay, yes. So do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have in Hong Kong only.
Hong Kong, how many
Yeah.
years?
It's 6 months only.
Oh, what happened?
Miscommunication with Popo.
Oh, I see. So only 6 months, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So then, can you tell me how many members in that family and what is your duties?
Well, I took care of a newborn baby, and there's also a children.
Mm-hmm.
She's 3 years old, and a
Mm-hmm.
popo. She's 70 years of age, and also a mother and father of the baby.
Oh, I see. Okay, so the same time you're doing all around housemaid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You do cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What about there's a pet or
Yes, there's two dogs.
two dogs? A big
Yes.
dogs?
Not so.
Okay, yeah. So, okay, you can do marketing also the same
Yes,
time.
ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So, okay, then. So, are you ready to get on again there in
Yes,
Hong Kong?
super ready, ma'am.
Super ready, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So, of course, because that since you have been experienced and taking care of newborn, so can you tell me how the way you taking care of newborn baby?
Well, especially when the baby is crying, I need to check the temperature first, and then if the baby is still crying, I need to check the diaper, and if it's not, then I will go to the mother and update them that the baby is uh, not really good.
Not comfortable,
Yeah,
right?
it's not comfortable.
Okay, that the babies keep crying and
Yes,
crying.
yes.
So of course you have to check body temperature also.
Yes.
Then if example that the baby get fever or not feeling well, so then what will you do?
I will go to mom or sir, then tell them that the baby is have a fever.
Yes, to inform immediately to your employer that the baby is not feeling well, and of course you have to wait the instruction or you give a first aid also.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go on.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town.
Thank you very much about that. Okay, yes. So are you totally ready to get on board in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
If you luckily hired, then do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, go on.
Good day, ma'am and sir. It's my pleasure to be part of your family as your new helper, and I assured you that I am hardworking and I'm easy to learn, especially when household chores and taking care of pets and also your family.
Yes, to love their family as your
Yes.
own family and to love their kids as your own
Yes,
kids.
ma'am.
And of course, to promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So of course in Hong Kong they have holidays every week. So then if your employer if your employer requests not Saturdays, Sunday holidays, are you willing to do?
Yes, ma'am. It's very fine.
That's good. Are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back or overtime pay so you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And to promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
To promise that you cannot involve any bank finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you're working
Yes,
hours. Okay. Yes, I want to know if you get a job offer with the dogs. So are you willing to taking care of dogs or
Yes, ma'am.
pets?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Okay, that's good. Okay, yes. So before we end this interview, can you show your best smile? Thank you.